Welcome to the breathtaking wonder of Yosemite Falls, the crown jewel of Yosemite National Park and a testament to nature's grandeur. As the tallest waterfall in North America, Yosemite Falls captivates visitors with its awe-inspiring beauty and mesmerizing power. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the many facets of this natural marvel, from its impressive height and seasonal transformations to its cultural significance and the unique experiences it offers throughout the year. Join us as we delve into the enchanting world of Yosemite Falls. Historical background. Yosemite Falls, located in California's Sierra Nevada mountains, has been a source of wonder and inspiration for centuries. The falls hold a special place in the hearts of the indigenous Awanichi people, who have called the Yosemite Valley home for generations. According to Awanichi legends, the falls were created by spirits of the valley, and they are considered sacred ground. These stories, passed down through generations, highlight the deep connection between the Awanichi and the natural world. The name Yosemite itself is derived from a Miwok word meaning those who kill, which referred to the tribes who lived in the area. European settlers first laid eyes on Yosemite Falls in the mid-19th century, and it didn't take long for the world to recognize the valley's unparalleled beauty. In 1864, President Abraham Lincoln signed the Yosemite Grant Act, protecting the valley and its giant sequoias for public use and preservation, making Yosemite the first land in the world set aside for such purposes. The anatomy of Yosemite Falls. Yosemite Falls is not just a single waterfall but a series of three distinct sections: the upper fall, the middle cascades, and the lower fall. Combined, these three sections make Yosemite Falls one of the most spectacular sights in the world, with a total drop of 2,425 feet, 739 meters. The upper fall is the highest of the three sections, plunging 1,430 feet, or 436 meters, in a stunning free fall. This section is the most dramatic and often the most photographed, offering a jaw-dropping view of water cascading down the sheer granite cliff. The middle cascades, a series of 5 smaller plunges, contribute a drop of 675 feet, or 206 meters, and add a dynamic, multi-tiered aspect to the falls. Finally, the lower fall completes the descent with a drop of 320 feet, or 98 meters, providing an accessible and close-up view of the powerful torrent. Seasonal changes. Yosemite Falls is a dynamic feature, changing dramatically with the seasons. The falls are fed primarily by snowmelt, which means their flow is strongest in late spring and early summer. During this time, the thunderous roar of the water can be heard from miles away, and the mist created by the falls can be felt on nearby trails. As summer progresses and the snowpack dwindles, the flow of the falls decreases significantly. By late summer, Yosemite Falls can become just a trickle, or even dry up entirely, revealing the bare granite behind. This seasonal transformation offers a unique opportunity to witness the falls in various states, each with its own beauty and charm. Winter brings a different kind of magic to Yosemite Falls. As temperatures drop, the water flow slows, and the spray from the falls creates a magnificent ice cone at the base of the upper fall. This ice formation can reach heights of several hundred feet and adds a touch of winter wonder to the already stunning landscape. Wildlife and ecology. Yosemite Falls is not only a visual marvel but also a vital part of the park's ecosystem. The mist from the falls creates a unique microhabitat that supports a variety of plant and animal species. Ferns, mosses, and wildflowers thrive in the moist environment near the base of the falls, adding a touch of green to the granite landscape. The area around Yosemite Falls is also home to a diverse array of wildlife. Black bears, mule deer, and bobcats are often spotted in the vicinity, along with numerous bird species, including peregrine falcons and black swifts. These animals are an integral part of the ecosystem, and their presence adds to the richness and diversity of the Yosemite experience. It's important for visitors to remember that they are sharing the space with wildlife and to respect the natural habitat by following park guidelines and maintaining a safe distance from animals. The best views and hiking trails. To truly appreciate the grandeur of Yosemite Falls, there are several vantage points and hiking trails that offer breathtaking views. One of the most popular and accessible viewpoints is from the Yosemite Valley floor, where you can see both the upper and lower falls in their entirety. The Lower Yosemite Fall Trail is an easy, 1-mile loop that takes you to the base of the lower fall, providing a close-up view and the chance to feel the mist on your face. For those seeking a more challenging hike, the Upper Yosemite Fall Trail is a must. This strenuous, 7.6-mile round-trip trail takes you to the top of the Upper Fall, offering panoramic views of the valley and an up-close look at the sheer power of the falling water. The trail gains over 2,600 feet in elevation, so be prepared for a steep and rewarding climb. Another excellent vantage point is from Glacier Point, which provides a stunning, elevated view of Yosemite Falls and the surrounding valley. This viewpoint is accessible by car during the summer months or by a long hike or cross-country skiing trip in the winter. The human connection. Yosemite Falls has inspired countless artists, writers, and adventurers over the years. The falls have been a muse for painters like Albert Bierstadt and photographers like Ansel Adams, whose iconic black and white images have immortalized the beauty of Yosemite. The falls also attract thrill seekers and adventurers. Rock climbers from around the world come to test their skills on the sheer granite cliffs, and the base of the lower fall is a popular spot for swimming and picnicking in the summer months. For many visitors, experiencing Yosemite Falls is a deeply personal and transformative journey. The sheer scale and power of the falls can evoke a sense of awe and wonder, reminding us of the beauty and majesty of the natural world. Preservation and conservation. The preservation of Yosemite Falls and the surrounding Yosemite National Park is a testament to the importance of conservation. The park is managed by the National Park Service, which works tirelessly to protect the natural and cultural resources of the area. Visitors to Yosemite Falls can contribute to conservation efforts by following leave no trace principles, staying on designated trails, and respecting wildlife. These small actions can help ensure that Yosemite Falls remains a pristine and inspiring place for future generations to enjoy. Additionally, there are numerous volunteer opportunities and programs that allow individuals to give back to the park. From trail maintenance to habitat restoration, these efforts are crucial in preserving the beauty and integrity of Yosemite Falls. In conclusion, Yosemite Falls stands as a powerful reminder of nature's beauty and the importance of preserving our natural wonders. Whether you're gazing up at the towering Upper Fall, feeling the mist from the lower fall, or exploring the trails that wind through the park, Yosemite Falls offers an experience like no other. As we bid farewell to this majestic waterfall, we carry with us the memories of its awe-inspiring beauty and the hope that it will continue to inspire and enchant visitors for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of Yosemite Falls. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more breathtaking explorations of the world's most incredible natural wonders. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.